Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a leaf border. So let's get started. I'm going to attach my yarn in any stitch and just lock it in. And that will take the place of the first single crochet. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the very first chain. Turn the work. So you're going to work into that loop. Single crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the top of that double crochet. That's 1/2 of the leaf. 2 double crochet, 1, 2, single crochet, and then slip stitch in the base of the leaf. Turn your work, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Now we're just going to keep repeating that all the way around. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch in that first chain, turn that loop, single crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch in the top of that double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, single crochet. And now in that stitch right at the bottom of the leaf, slip stitch. And there's 2 leaves. And single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. And you're just going to continue to make leaves until you get close to the corner. So I'm going to go ahead and work that, and then I'll show you what to do at the corner. Okay, I'm approaching my corner, and this is my corner stitch here. So I will only have 1 stitch here in between, so I'm going to take this one out. So go back 1. So then I'm going to make my next leaf here, and then I will make my next leaf in that corner stitch. And there's how that will look. And there's my corner one. And then I just continued with my 3 single crochet and then a leaf. And that's how easy it is to make this easy leaf border. So this border would be great to use around the edge of a blanket, around a pillow, even on the bottom of a shawl, on the bottom of sweaters, and maybe even on the cuff of a sleeve. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.